day one arrival to Cape Lookout job. We've got our truck and trailer, fully self-contained, solarized. We've got a place to stay, also self-contained and solarized. And they were kind enough to bring a camper on site, which they use while they're doing all of this wonderful work. So, see what we're working with. Already got wood scraps. We've got our trailer all set up and functional and unpacked. Got room 1, standby storage for all these lithium iron phosphate batteries. The unistrut for holding everything. We're gonna build a beautiful rack. And all of the hardware ready on standby. We've got our prepping and cutting zone and sunshade area and our guard dog. Actually, she's our solar dog. And here is the room that will be the power station. So take a good look at what we've got to work with. We've got the inverters and the panels and some of the batteries and other equipment already staged. Very important airflow, and you will see the progress of this room as we go forward.